The next big thing in FinTech will be the disruptors. So right now we're seeing a number of new FinTech players that are entering the system that are looking to solve one thing and solve it really, really well. Then on the other hand, you have challenger banks. So you have people like Starling and Monzo looking at the retail current account, and then you have others who are looking more at infrastructure like Clearbank. I think the next big thing really from this entire type of set of disruptors that we're seeing is the connectedness of them, so the connected ecosystem. So the biggest challenges for startups vary depending on the sector that you're in. We're seeing a rise of challenger banks because the UK government has made it possible for tech startups to get banking licenses. One of the biggest challenges still for that is the capital. So raising the capital in order to secure the banking license, but that's pre-revenue, pre-customers, and so the bar for having an MVP is much higher. Despite that, we're seeing a number of new entrants entering the system, and the regulator very much looking to support that and enable that growth and to reduce some of those barriers to entry. The biggest challenge for incumbent banks is that they have legacy technology, but they also have legacy big business models and legacy culture as well. So the way that the marketplace is evolving is such that everything is connected. Regulation is mandating that customers own their own data, not the banks, and that if they want to share that to access another product and service, then they have to be able to. So the biggest challenge for banks is figuring out how do they evolve from a technology perspective to enable this, but also from a business model perspective. Given the previous model of just upselling higher profit financial products doesn't work, how are they going to evolve to shift to that way as well? So from what we've seen from cryptocurrency so far is it's very much been adopted from the classic early adopter crowd. So there's been a lot of talk around blockchain and cryptocurrency, what does it mean? I think that we're now seeing a lot of interest starting from larger institutions as well. So you've seen Barclays with Coinbase and other big players kind of starting to edge into this area. I think over the next 5 years, we'll start to kind of see it become more mainstream and something more adopted by large institutions as well. The next unicorn of the FinTech world will be Starling Bank, and I am completely unbiased / I work for them, so I am biased, but I do think that they will be the next unicorn. So my latest Google search was actually directions on how to get to a venue that I was going to this morning. So it's a bit boring, but that's what I Googled, so yeah.